What's up, guys? Welcome back to GIO'S and today we're going to be diving into my personal life. Yes, you're going to be diving into... Whoa. Okay, if you can't tell from the title already what we're going to talk about, we're going to be talking about what's going on inside my bed. Wow. I was speaking literally and not figuratively. Okay. Moving on. Alright, now so before I actually get into the why I chose the bed I chose and the mattress I chose, let me give you a little background information. So before I moved here, I was doing a lot of research on how to actually, work in a studio environment. Although I don't have a studio apartment, I wanted to turn my room into a studio area so I can work inside my room and not in my living room. Just having your camera equipment and just your camera itself, lightings, tripod, your whole setup outside in the living room is just a lot and it's just too much, and just to move back and forth. So I was like, you know what, let me have everything in my room at all times, so I can do all of my work. So that's how I came up and found the Murphy bed. I didn't know what a Murphy bed was. A lot of people didn't even know what a Murphy bed was. And yeah, so I here to tell you guys, because I think it's a dope idea for anyone who wants to do YouTube and they want to work in their room, and it just gives you a lot of room. Because a lot of YouTubers do, they'll film in front of their bed. I didn't want to have my bed down. Like, no, it's just weird to me. I don't want to have my bed down. But yeah, so here we go. This is the Murphy bed. Here she is. She's gorgeous. Yes, she is. Wow. A lot of people think this is a closet. This is not a closet. Yeah, it's just not a closet, so just leave me alone. So yeah, let me show you how much room I got. So you guys are gonna see my lighting equipment right quick, because I'm gonna back you all the way up. If you can't tell, let's move you out the way. So, okay, let me actually put my body in the frame so you can actually see how much room I have. So I'm gonna back up all the way, so all this, like I can move here and all the way over here. So I have all this room. Spacious, I know. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the bed up, the Murphy bed, and we're just gonna see what's going on inside. We're gonna see what's going on inside. Here we are. Here she is. Yeah, it's not supposed to happen like that. It's safe. Trust me, it's safe. It's a safe bed. I wouldn't give you something, or I wouldn't tell you about something that's not safe. She was just feeling, and she was in the mood, and we got in a fight earlier, so she decided she was. All right. So as you can see, boom, we have the world famous purple bed, and let me tell you, I have already broke it in. I've already slept on it and it's absolutely amazing. But I took everything off just to show you, because I'm gonna go into detail about exactly what this bed is all about, yo. So let's get to it. Welcome to the side of my bed. So basically the dope thing about the purple bedding is this right here. This is what they call the hyper-elastic polymer. In our terms, it's pressure releasing material. So more cushion for the spine. So more cushion for the spine and the neck and just your overall body. Everything that we love. It also promotes so much airflow. So you know how we all just flip over our pillow because we want that colder side? Yeah, bros don't apply with this thing. This is the pillow right here. See, you can actually tell inside. Like, look, can you see? Oh, actually I can open it up for you. Again, this is the material that it is right here. See this right here? This gives you a better view. So this is all air, it's just coming straight into your body. And this material is all over the bed too. Let me zipping it back up. Now, especially for me, because I have super long hair, I tend to just overly get hot when I'm sleeping. So I'll just always wake up, take the cover off me, bring the cover back on, things like that. You know how we all do, one leg out, one leg in. With this bed, basically, you never gotta do that because of all the airflow that's coming through and hitting your body. You're constantly cooler, so it's always gonna be a cooler sleep. My hair makes me extremely hot, especially during the summer, especially at this time. And I'm not trying to run up this AC bill here. Cali is expensive for sure. But welcome to the front of my bed. In all honesty, I absolutely love this bed. It's amazing. My sleep is just so much better. Always having sound sleep, and I just wake up in a happier mood because lot of times when you don't get good sleep, you just wake up in a grumpy mood, and that's never the case for me. So if you want to learn about the Purple team and just the Purple bed itself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and click that and do a little bit of background for yourself, which I wouldn't tell you just to go get something, you know, if I didn't 100% stand behind it. And yeah, so definitely check it out. I know you're going to love it. And they also sell things beside the bed, you know, they sell cushion seats and stuff like that, and it's absolutely amazing. So go ahead and click that link, go see the science behind it all. It's absolutely brilliant. And PG-13. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you got some information from it. For the YouTubers out there or anyone who want to make a small space into a more spacious space, I definitely recommend the Murphy bed. To be honest, I just got that joint from Costco and it was cheap, so I went with it. There's a lot of Murphy beds that's out there that's super expensive, but yeah, I'm not about to break my pockets. And go look out. Definitely click that link below for the Purple bedding. You're absolutely gonna love it. Just learning the info behind it, it's the science behind it is just absolutely amazing. And then after you do all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button to get notified anytime I do post. Please follow me on all my social medias. That is Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All of that is Gio Filipino here, and it's also in the description below. And yeah, with that being said, stay wavy, and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah. Bring it back up. Yeah. Cheese.